Hi guys, how are you all? Abhay, what are you doing in school?
We started solving rational equations.
Okay, so that is module number. Do you know the module number in the book?
No.
Okay, you started. So, Anisha, what are you doing, ma?
We just finished the rational functions unit. We're doing a review for the test.
Okay, okay, right. Okay. Are you done with module 12, Abhay, in the book?
I don't know what that is.
You don't know what that is.
Oh, the book homework?
Yeah.
The homework, I've done most of the homework that you assigned us.
No, 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 no. Well, my question is,
Oh, have I done it at school?
I'll check. No worries, I'll check.
I don't think I have it submitted because I got sick throughout most of the week and I didn't get to like this part of it, but I think I got into like page 495.
Okay, we did function graphing. Module 12 to 16 was incorrect, right? What I posted. Did someone get to check that? Did you check that, ma? The module 12 to 16, right? Whatever was in there was not correct, right? Okay, let me come back on that. Hold on, I'll tell you what is going on. Module 12 to 16 was definitely incorrect. See, algebra 2. Yeah, till module 11 was correct. Rational expression. Okay, so let's move on with this. One second. Saranya Math and Vinay. One second. Okay. So we did not do, did we do asymptotes, slant asymptotes case last week? Did we do the slant asymptotes last week?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh, then that's good. Okay. But did we do rational function graphing of rational functions that crosses horizontal asymptote? We didn't do that, right?
I think we did.
Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's quickly review what we have. Okay, let's see this one. Okay. Do you know how to graph this one? X plus 1 by x square plus 3x minus 4. X plus 1 by x square plus 3x minus 4. We'll just review this and then we'll move on from there. Give me a minute. Share screen. Would you be able to graph this? Hold on. X plus 1 by x square plus 3x minus 4. F of x equal to. Okay. Would you be able to graph this? Yeah, see, we have not done. You do this. One more question with slant asymptote I'll give you, and after that I'll move on to rational function based word problems. That's quite important. Would you be able to graph this, guys? If you're stuck, you have to let me know, and we will do something with horizontal asymptotes. I don't think I did that in your class per my notes. Okay, let's do. Did you guys graph it? You want to show?
Yeah, I graphed it.
Yep.
Wait,
Let
how
me
do I
know if
show it?
you have a. Yeah, definitely.
No, wait, how do I show it?
How do you show it? Video.
Okay.
Rishit, you started geometry, Rishit?
Not yet. My counselor said to start around like after spring break.
Okay. And then when it is due, Rishit, exam?
July 15th.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, here. Can you see it?
Okay. Rishit, if you have you blurred the screen, huh?
No, I didn't.
I'm not able to see your graph. A little. Hold on, Rishit. Give me a minute, Rishit. There is some problem. Hold on. Give me a minute, Rishit.
Okay,
Sorry about that, but you have to wait.
that's fine.
Okay, you can show me. You can show me. Show me. Send. Okay. Yeah, good job. And send the vertical asymptotes.
Okay.
Send the vertical asymptotes. Are there any holes? That was quick.
Priyanti, could you send a message in the chat so I can
Absolutely.
be able to type?
Absolutely. I will send. 1 second, ma. I don't know. Chat window. Where is the chat window? Yes. That seems correct. That seems incorrect, Rishit, right? Did I give it to you incorrectly?
I just checked my graphing and Desmos. It says my vertical codes are correct.
Yeah, but the vertical asymptote. See, the shape of the graph seems correct, but your vertical asymptotes seem incorrect. Then your domain also will change, right, Rishit? What is the domain? Send it to me. Let me
Oh,
see.
I mistyped it. I mistyped it. It's 1, not 2.
Okay, that's right. Wherever you're stuck, let me know, guys. I'll do it on the I'll do it on the board.
Wait, doesn't this have a horizontal asymptote?
It does have a vertical asymptote, ma.
Oh, well, yeah, but yeah. I thought it was a slant asymptote question, and then I looked at that.
Go ahead, go ahead. What was your question?
No, I thought you said it was a slant asymptote question, and then I saw the exit, and I was like wondering that isn't that just a horizontal asymptote?
There is a vertical asymptote. This one is a good one.
Auntie, can I show my graph in the camera?
Yes, ma. Yeah, that's right, ma. But what are the vertical asymptotes, ma? The shape of the graph is correct. What are the vertical asymptotes?
-1 and wait, no, 1 and -4.
1 and
-4.
yeah, correct, ma.
Miss Priya, do I show my graph?
-4. 1 second, ma. Anisha, what is that 1/4, ma? What is that 1/4? Anisha, what is that 0, comma -1/4?
The y-intercept.
I don't hear you, lady. 1 minute, sorry. Tell me. It's
The
okay.
y-intercept.
Y-intercepts. Are there two y-intercepts, you mean?
The y-intercept and the x-intercept.
Oh, y-intercept and the
Sorry, I
x-intercept.
should have labeled
Okay,
it.
okay. I got it. Thank you. Yeah, it's good to have both the y-intercept and x-intercept. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shrikar. Akshada, correct, ma. Krishiv, do you need help? Yeah, ma.
A little bit.
Yeah, sure. Rishit, what are you doing in school, Rishit?
Radical functions.
Oh, radical functions. Okay.
Oh, Miss
Oh,
Priya,
you didn't solve what? Yeah, ma.
I have.
Oh, that seems right. That seems right. So the vertical so this one is correct, right? Plus 4x minus, yeah. So here vertical asymptotes are at x equal to 1, x equal to -4. Does that make sense? So the graph would be x equal to 1, x equal to -4. Okay. After this, what else? The graph is going to be like this. This is going to be like this. This is a point on the graph. Okay, easy to find out the x-intercept and y-intercept. Y-intercept is put y equal to 0, that will be equal to x plus 1, x equal to -1. So So the x-intercept is by making y equal to 0. So minus 1 comma 0 is a part in the graph. It's very easy to say. And put x equal to 0. What happens if you put x equal to 0? 1 by minus 4. So that point is 0 comma 1 by minus 4. So that point, this one is 0 comma 1 by minus 4. That is, this is your x-intercept. This is your y-intercept. And then there are no holes. Nothing is getting cancelled, none. What else did you do? X-intercept, y-intercept, vertical asymptote. Horizontal asymptote is degree of numerator less than degree of denominator. So y equal to 0 is your horizontal asymptote. Any questions? Domain, you will define minus infinity to minus 4, and then minus 4 to 1, 1 to infinity. All union. Any questions? Okay. Now let me try this with you. Sixth one. I want to do the sixth one. Okay, let's try to graph this. This one is a tricky one. Let's see. Not with a slant asymptote, but let's see whether we are able to do this one. See this one? Did you guys get it?
Yeah, I graphed it.
That was quick. Good job. Okay. Nice, Rishit. Very nice.
Thanks.
But I did have questions, Rishit, on that. Give me a minute. That seemed correct to me. Let me ask you for all of this. Horizontal asymptote, holes, vertical asymptote, roots, domain, range, and then the last question is, does your graph cross the horizontal asymptote? Does your graph cross the horizontal asymptote? Okay, let me ask you all of this, okay? Horizontal asymptote, vertical asymptote, holes, then x-intercept, y-intercept, domain, range, all this you'll write, and then you'll show me the graph, and you'll also tell me, does your graph, this is the only one question I have not dealt with you, does your graph cross horizontal asymptote? Rishit, have they solved rational functions word problems?
Yeah.
Of all types they completed, huh? Okay, work
Yeah, we did
related.
the time thing. We did everything. We even got to inverse equations.
I see. Inverse equations we did. Meaning, what I'm asking is DRT, then work related, then what else you covered? Distance, rate,
We did
time.
DRT. Wait, let me pull it up real quick.
Sure. Krishav, are you able to do Krishav?
Yeah, a little bit.
I can help you.
If I need help, I'll ask you, but I'll try it for now.
Sure.
So we got to do desired percents, rate, time, and cost per person slash item.
Go ahead, ma. Sorry. Rate, time,
Desired percents,
desired persons, huh?
yeah, and then
PRCH. Uh-huh.
cost per item.
Uh-huh.
I think that was it. It was like
Distance.
application problems.
Yeah. This is desired persons, huh?
Yeah.
Cost per item. Okay, interesting. Okay. In this, does the graph cross the horizontal asymptote, Rishit? In this one, that you have not yet answered.
Um,
If
yes, it
so, what
does.
points? Okay. So what points? You can send it to me in
X
chat.
equals 2.
Send it to me in chat. Send it to me in chat. Yeah, whole is whole you have to write it as a coordinate point, Subi. Whole you need to write it as a coordinate point.
Okay.
Because it will have a x and a y value, right? All x equal to that value is not a whole.
So do I put in the x value?
Yes. Yeah. Domain is a little bit tricky. Domain is a little bit tricky. Let's see.
I sent everything you asked for in the chat.
Uh, oh yeah, I am checking, Rishit. Range only, I'm not sure. Range, why did you write minus infinity to 1 by 9?
That's how our teacher told us how to write it. But like these kind of questions.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But why did you write minus infinity to 1 by 9? Minus infinity to 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is a point in the graph, right?
No, it's like it's a coordinate to something. So I just like put it there because it's
Okay.
and then
No, no.
afterwards,
What I'm asking is minus infinity to 1 by 9.
yeah,
Oh, 1 by okay, okay, but 1 by 9 is included. Yes, okay.
yeah.
Ah, Rishit, okay, okay, I see. 1 by 9, but you have excluded 1 by 9. Why you have excluded 1 by 9?
Wait,
No, no, the range seems incorrect to me, but you can let me know why you wrote that. Yes, yes, I can go over it 100%. So, for this one, right? Rishit, can you check on the range alone?
okay, wait, give me a minute.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You take your time, okay? So now let me go over this problem completely. So here, this can be factored out into, let's see. Did you factorize this, Anisha?
Yes, I factor the top and the bottom.
Okay, so top is x minus 1, x minus 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Bottom is,
I got x
bottom is, yeah, bottom is, let me filter out x square. That becomes x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 2, correct? So the entire function becomes x minus 1 x minus 3 divided by x plus 1 x minus 1 x minus 2. Any questions here? Now after this, clearly you see the wholes, it is getting cancelled. So what happens here, I'll start filling out, right? First of all, degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So horizontal asymptote is y equal to 0. Vertical asymptotes are this one, minus 1 and 2. Minus 1 and 2 means x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2. Then holes. Do we have holes? X equal to 1 is a hole. What is the x-intercept? How do you find the x-intercept? To find the x-intercept, put y equal to 0. As a result, x square minus 4x plus 3 will be equal to 0. When you factorize this, x minus 1, x minus 3 will be equal to 0. So, the x-intercept x-intercept will be at only one point, right? Let me see. So it'll okay, so that will be it. I put y equal to 0. So basically I should get 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0, but the 1 comma 0 won't be there. Okay, in this function if I put, right, this one, so the top only, right? Let me take this one, guys. So as a result, let me change this. Instead of factorizing this, I can put these as 0. Here x minus 3 equal to 0, directly I can put, so x equal to 3, so x intercept would be 3 comma 0. X intercept would be 3 comma 0. Let me put this graph. This is the vertical, minus 1 and 2. Rishit, did you change that? Holes is
Hmm?
it? Did you get that? Abhay, did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay, so vertical asymptote I showed, this I showed, holes is at x equal to 1. How to find out my hole at x equal to 1? So substitute x equal to 1. What happens to y? 1 minus 4 times 1 plus 3 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. So 1 minus, oh,
Yeah, I can explain it now. I can explain it. My
yeah, yeah. Where is the hole, guys?
1 comma 1.
I got 1 comma 0.
No, no, no. Okay, you have to substitute in the right equation, ma. Let me see. I see why you got 1 comma 0. That was my mistake too. So y will be equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 1 2. Do you see ma? So 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1 or plus 1? I did make a mistake. So this one is 1 minus 1. So it's a minus 1 by minus 1, so 1. So 1 comma 1 is a whole ma. You see, Subi?
Yeah.
Okay. So x equal to 1, you'll have to write it as a coordinate point. Okay. 1 comma 1 is a whole, and x-intercept means put y equal to 0, right? So 3 comma 0. Let me write that down. 1, 2, 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 is the x-intercept. That's where it crosses the x-axis. Put for y-intercept, put x equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0, this becomes 0. This becomes y equal to 3 by 2. So x equal to 0, y equal to 0 comma 3 by 2. 0 comma 3 by 2 is a point in the graph. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, so the Anisha, did you get these, ma?
Yes.
Okay, so 0 comma 3 by 2 I plotted. So 0 comma 3 by 2. See, here you need to be careful with the domain and range, very much careful with the domain and range. Before that, right, before writing the domain and range, I would go ahead and, does your graph cross the horizontal asymptote? That's a good question, right? Does your graph cross the horizontal asymptote? Means, what is your horizontal asymptote? Y equal to 0. So your y value is 0. So put that as 0 and see, meaning for the last question, so number 9th question, your horizontal asymptote was 0, so make your equation equal to your horizontal asymptote. If the horizontal asymptote was minus 1, then you should equate it to minus 1. Okay, when you do that, this becomes x minus 3 by x plus, the denominator will anyway get cancelled, because x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2 will be there. X plus 1, x minus 2 will be there. However, that time 0, it will become 0. So 0 equal to x minus 3, x will be equal to 3. You are getting a valid value of x. So at 3 comma 0, the horizontal asymptote crosses the graph crosses the horizontal asymptote. Any questions there? Any questions there? That's how you determine whether I think then the graph becomes, the other pieces of the graph will be, this seems like this, see. And then the lower part of the graph is done. So this piece should be something like this is my thought. Okay, this part of the graph will be something like this. You can substitute some points and verify. Any questions? Now this one we did, this one we did, but for the domain it's important that you take into account everything. There is a whole, right? Whole needs to be taken into account. This is a common mistake everybody will do. So minus infinity, what is this? To minus 1. So now minus 1 is not included, everybody knows that. After that, minus 1 to 2. So minus 1 to 2, great. And after that, when you compare, but in between, you see, before you go to minus 1 to 2, you have to look at this whole. This is a whole, right? 1 comma 1. So minus 1 to 1. At 1, you have, see, whole has to be taken into account for the domain till 1, and at 1, 1 is not defined, 1 is not included, and after that 1 to 2 is included, and then 2 to infinity, to 2 to infinity. So all union. Any questions? If you don't include the whole, your domain is incorrect. Did you guys get it? And for the range, Rishit, what did you get?
I still got the same thing, but I can explain how I got it now.
Yeah, go ahead.
So when we try to solve the equation for x, like, and then substitute it for y, for the quadratic equation, we get yx squared minus parentheses y plus 1 close parentheses x plus 3 minus 2y equals 0. And then after you do that, it becomes 9y squared minus 10y plus 1. And then if we want to see where the graph isn't there, we look to see where the discriminant is negative. And this is true for like when it's 1 comma 9 and 1.
Okay, something is not making sense to me there. Let me show you. Hey, Rishit, you're talking about the range, right? So on the
Yeah.
y-axis, when you see minus infinity to c, minus infinity to everything is defined, okay? But our horizontal asymptote is 0, but horizontal asymptote is will be crossed, meaning the graph crosses the horizontal asymptote, right? So we need to put in more points in here and see. So I'm going to put 5, 6. Let me see. If I put in 5, what happens to the y value? 25 minus 20 plus 3 divided by 125 minus 2 times 25 is 50 minus 5 and then a plus 2. What happens here? 25, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8 divided by 75 minus 5, 70 plus 2, 72, 1 by 9. So I'm getting 5 comma 1 by 9. So 5, this is 5 comma 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 is a part of the graph, right? And then if I put a 6, what happens? Let's see, 6 6 are 36 minus 6 4 are 24 plus 3 divided by 6 6 are 36. 36 times 6 is 216, right? 216 minus 36 times 2 is 72 minus 6 plus 2, right? So if I calculate this will be 12 plus 3 15 divided by 72 minus 6 is 78. No, first let me subtract 6, 2 10, 212 minus 72, so that becomes 7 8 9 10 11. That becomes 140, right? 15 by 140, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40, 3 by 28. 3 by 28. Okay, so that would be 6 comma 3 by 28. Then I would prefer putting a 4 and seeing as well, because I want to understand which is the highest part. So if you substitute 4, what happens? I need to understand around after it crosses the horizontal asymptote, what is the highest point it reaches. If I substitute 4, right, 16 minus 16 plus 3, I'm just substituting 4. 4 is a 16, 64 minus 16 minus 4 plus 2. So if I have this becomes 3 divided by, this is 20. 20 if I subtract from here, 44 plus 2 is 46. 3 by 46. Okay, so that's even smaller. Okay. But in that case, did you account for the whole, Rishit? So here, this is my highest point. 5 comma 1 by 9 is my highest, but I don't know about 5.1 and all. Okay. See, okay, but the range, will it not be equal to minus 1 to 1? There is a hole, right? So that cannot be accounted for the range. Did you account for that, Rishit?
I think I forgot that.
Okay, but what made you go to 1 by 9 and then go with 1 to infinity? 1 by 9, you saw
Because
that was the highest point?
because so as it goes from negative infinity, um you know the L here on the right side.
Yeah.
So the max there was 1 divided by 9, and then I continued the thing
Uh,
from there to infinity.
yeah, I see it, okay, but have you checked 5.1, 5.2? And on the U, did you check under this 1 comma 1? Meaning, did you put x equal to 0 and verify? If you put x equal to 0 and verify, If you put x equal to 0, what happens? This is 1.5. So the y-intercept is 1 point, oh, okay.
It's like 1.6
Yeah,
or 1.5.
yeah, this vertex is 1.5. That's what it's vertex cannot be 1.5, right? This is 1 comma 0. This is 1 comma. Where is the whole? 1 comma 1 is the whole, right? But it's. Yeah, but then between 0 and 1 there has to be a point, Rashid. That doesn't make sense to me. I'm going to look. Did you put between 0 and 1, right? It has to go down, Rashid. Did you check that?
Well, I didn't hear you. My internet broke.
No, no. Between 0 and 1, did you substitute points and see?
No.
Okay, I'll substitute points and see, guys, because I really
Okay.
want to understand. X square minus 4x plus 3, right? I'm going to substitute x equal to, I'll do it in a calculator. X will be equal to 0.5 if I put, right? 0.5 square minus 2 plus 3. 0.5 square minus 2 plus 3, right? I'm going to do it and see. That's a tricky question. 1.25. Okay, let me write it down. So this is 1.25 divided by x cube minus 2x square. X cube minus 2x square. X cube minus 2 times x square and then minus x plus 2, right? One point 1.125, that becomes 1.25 by 1.125. 1.25 divided by the entire thing will become 1.11. So okay, so here guys it becomes 1.11. Okay, so I can cleanly, okay, in this case, right, this becomes 1.11. If I put in 0.5, right, this is 1.11 it's becoming, okay, and this point is definitely above the whole, okay, so the graph goes like this. Okay, that being the case, this seems to be the highest point, so the range is a little tricky here, meaning minus infinity to, this seems your highest point. This point 5 comma 1 by 9 seems to be your highest point, so I'll include that. Minus infinity to, I would include not till 1 but till 1 by 9. See, 1 by 9, and after that, Rishit, but see, after the, okay, after that I will start with the whole. So here, then 1 to infinity. Between that, I don't see points at all. So here, minus infinity to 1 by 9 is the highest point, and after that it's going, I am seeing a point 1, meaning this was a whole before and after it's defined, right? So basically, a whole seems to be the lowest point. So 1 to infinity. Any questions there? I just want to graph this, guys. X square minus 4x plus 3. Let me do it in Desmos and see. I feel like still there is a mistake on the range. Give a minute. X square minus 4x plus 3. X square. Let me quickly graph it and see, because for the range I doubt, because we are not able to determine the points properly, right? So I'm just going to graph it and see. X cube minus 2x square, x cube minus x plus 2. Okay, so let me grab that. I'll share with you. Yeah, see, okay, that's good. Whatever we have done is correct only. Okay, so let me share my screen. I'm going to take this out. See, here I have given the graph minus infinity to minus 1, meaning 1 by 9. I put a point, and then it continues from 1. Let me show you. Whatever we have written seems correct. Rishit, I'll go with you. I'll go with the answer you have as well. 1 by 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share screen. Can I delete everything off and show you the graph? Can I delete everything off and show you the graph? So let me stop screen
Sure.
share. Let me go to the graph. When I go to the graph, I want you to see the graph. This is why the range is a little tricky here. Here, when you think about it, in between there is no graph. This you need to be able to see. In between this, see, there is no graph on the y-axis. So minus infinity, this point, right, 5 comma 1 by 9 is your highest. So till 1 by 9, and after that it goes from 1 to infinity. So the range will become minus infinity to 1 by 9 and then 1 to infinity. 1 is not included because of the whole. 1 by 9 is as well, see here, but 1 by 9 is included, right, Rishit? You should have had this, right, Rishit?
Yeah.
Yep. Any questions here? Nisha, did I clarify your question?
Yeah.
Can I move on? That's a little tricky, honestly. Okay. So you guys know about this. Okay. One more on maybe slant asymptotes. Quick. Let's see. How about this? Okay. One last question on slant asymptotes and then we'll move on to word problems. How about this? X plus 1, x minus 1 divide. I don't know, guys. Hold on. That seems too easy to deal with. Let's see. Okay. How about this? One second, guys. Okay, I don't have the answer. I'll have to verify. 2. Okay. I don't want to do this. Hold on. I just want to do 1 with slant asymptotes. Okay, how about this? X square plus 2x minus 4. X square plus 2x minus 4. Let's do this one. I want to stop share. Share. Let's do this one. X square minus 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 1. Would you be able to do this? Okay, just grab this rational function, show it to me, and then we'll move on. You don't need to do anything else here. Let's try that. Graph the rational function, just show it to me.
Miss Priya,
Yes.
the numerator doesn't factor.
Plus 2x minus 4, right? Did I give it to you? Plus 2x minus 4. Okay.
Well, I have to use quadratic formula.
Okay, let me see. Uh, x square. Okay, let's take it as 8 then. That's a typo in the question, I feel. 8. Can we take it as 8? Will it work? If I take it as 8, will it work? Abhay?
Yeah.
Yep, go ahead.
Wait, just the graph?
Yes.
Okay.
But the time flies. Okay, just the graph or just the okay. Does it have a slant asymptote?
Yeah.
Okay, just send me the equation of the slant asymptote. That's enough. If you can graph it, just send me the equation of the slant asymptote and we'll move on. I really want to cover word problems today. Akshada, the range, did you understand? Ma? There was some problem with the range, right?
Yeah, I had to
Include
include
the
the
whole.
whole.
Include
Yeah.
the whole, yeah. Domain, did you get it, Shrikar, for the previous problem? I just need the slant asymptote equation, guys. That's all for this one. Nothing else I'm asking. If you get it, then we'll move on. You just divide, right? You use synthetic division or original division and then divide.
I sent the slant asymptote.
Yeah, ma'am. Anisha got it. You got it, okay.
Miss Priya, it's not letting me send.
Why? Are you logged in from a iPad?
No, but I'm on Mac.
Doesn't matter. Can you reply to the question, to reply to the
Oh
chat?
yeah.
That's nice to be. X equal to. Yep, that's nice to be. Just go ahead and show
The graph?
graph if you have it. Otherwise, I want the slant asymptote. I just want to move on. I think you guys will be able to do because you can plot points and understand how to graph. If you have the graph, show.
Here.
Rashid, you have to bring down Rashid, sorry.
This is the graph.
I'm a little
It's flipped.
uh,
It's flipped because of my camera.
yeah, but which is the y-axis? Did you draw the y-axis?
Wait here.
Something feels wrong, Rashid. Did you
I'll
draw the
draw it. I'll
y-axis?
draw it. I'll draw the axis is darker.
Did you all get the equation? Abhay, did you get the equation of the slant asymptote?
Yeah, I put in the thing.
Krishu, it's correct. Oh, that's so much better. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Rishit. Subi, did you get the graph or can I move on?
I'm almost done with it. Miss Priya, is my graph right?
That seems, bring it down, ma. That seems perfectly right. It seems perfectly right. Only thing, make sure it doesn't merge with the vertical asymptote. You are right, but don't merge with the vertical asymptote. You got it?
I tried to not like draw on there, but I tried to like not overlap it.
Makes sense, ma. We'll move on. I think you got it though. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go ahead and do some. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see, guys. How about this? Oh my gosh, I need to do this. Okay. How about this? Okay, first let's go ahead with some distance rate problems. Okay. Yep. Okay. Let's take this problem. We'll do. Okay. Okay, we have done distance rate problem in algebra 1, but this is slightly tricky. This one, this is distance rate problem. Okay, distance rate problem, it's not a direct problem, but then it has some extra pieces. David Cannon's upstream. So let's say the river is flowing down. There is a river, it's flowing down. Okay, now David Cannon's upstream a distance of 8 miles and then returns. So this distance is 8 miles. Okay, and he returns. So if I were you, I would, for these rational function word problems, I always want you to draw a table. If you do not want to make mistakes, it's better to draw a table. Okay, so the two things that are given are, one is upstream, the other one is downstream. Okay, each has a different row. Okay, now the distance both ends is 8. It is in miles. The round trip took 5 1/3 hours. So when it came to time, the round trip took 5 1/3 hours. Total distance is 16. Now see, this is where it becomes problematic. The current of the stream was flowing at 2 miles per hour. The current of the stream, see, when a river is flowing downstream, right? What happens downstream, right? Whenever you go upright, you are traveling against the current. The river is flowing downstream automatically. So the water has its own speed. Other than that, your boat has a speed. So what happens if you go upstream? The boat is going against the water. The boat and water are going against. Boat is going against the water. Let's say here the water speed is 2 miles per hour. Let's say boat is traveling at x mile per hour. I'm going to assume that the boat is traveling at x mile per hour. So when you go up, right, speed, distance, time, right? So when you go upstream, right, the boat is traveling against your current. Current is coming down at 2 miles per hour. So what happens? The speed decreases when you go upstream because your boat is traveling against the current speed. Now, when you go downstream, what happens? You're going downstream. So your boat is x miles per hour and the water is itself traveling at 2 miles per hour. So that becomes x plus 2. Any questions here, guys? Do you have any questions? So it is always better to put this table, please. Speed equal to distance by time, right? So if I were you, I would fill this in. I would fill this table 8 by x minus 2, 8 by x plus 2. Now I clearly see from the table, where can I frame the equation? See here, this is the equation I can frame. Time upstream plus time downstream will be equal to 5 1/3. Solve and get the value for x. Does that make sense? So that will be the David's canoeing speed, the boat speed, canoe speed. Am I making sense? How do you, please put the table. If the table is not there, everything becomes confusing. You don't know what to do where. Just because of the table, it looks so easy. Now here x minus 2, x plus 2, x square minus 4. Here 8x plus 16 plus 8x minus 16. So So this will be 16x by x plus 4 x minus 4, right? I'm sorry, x plus 2 x minus 2, right? Yep. This is x plus 2 x minus 2 x squared minus 4 will be equal to 5 3s are 15, 16 by 3. Now would you be able to solve this? Solve this one for me and send the value of x. We'll go to the next one. A little tricky though. Little tricky in the sense, let me solve it for you if you want to. 16 x square minus 64 will be equal to 16 3s are 48x, right? So 16x square minus 48x minus 64 equal to 0. 16 3, 16 4, x square minus 3x minus 4 will be equal to 0. So when you factor this out, right, so what do you get? You get x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 1. From here you get x equal to 4. From here you get x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 1. Makes sense? But when you think about it, right, x is your speed in miles per hour. So this is an invalid value. So your boat or the canoe speed is 4 miles per hour. Any questions? Any questions here? If you put the table for distance, rate, time, please put the columns as distance, rate, time. See the units. This is miles per hour. This is miles per hour. This is in hours. So if you put the table, everything becomes so easy and you know where to write the equation.
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
If it's a round trip of 5 and 1/3 hours, and the distance is 8 miles and then returns, shouldn't it be 16 as the distance?
Oh, okay. See, David canoes upstream a distance of 8 miles.
Yeah.
Upstream distance is 8 miles.
Oh, okay, I got it.
That is why I took it as 8, upstream
Yeah,
alone.
I got it. I understood.
No worries. Can I move on? Okay, now let's go ahead with this one. You're going to do this one for me, okay? First one I did for distance, rate, time. So let's see this one. See, the way you're going to write the equation is going to be a little different. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Two trains, again, distance, rate, time, same thing, okay? But then the way you're going to, the two rows will be what? Train 1, train 2. Two rows will be train 1, train 2, but the columns will be distance, rate, time. Did you get it, guys? If you didn't get it, I'll help you. There are different types of problems as well. Train 1, train 2. This will be distance, rate, time. Now, two trains starting at the same time from stations that are 396 apart. So this is 396, this is 396. You're going to write it down. If you are stuck only, I'm going to do meet in 4.5 hours. Then the distance itself changes for train 2. What will be the distance for train 2? Both will be different. It's not 396. The total is only 396. We need to be careful, understand the concept here. So the total distance is 396 when they meet. So let's say the train 1 traveled x, train 2 will be 396 minus x. Okay, how far has the faster train? They meet in 4.5 hours. Oh, they meet in 4.5 hours. Each traveled for 4.5 hours, right? Okay, you can't put the total there. But how far has the faster train traveled? Speed equal to, this is speed, right? Speed equal to d by t. So you're going to do it or let me know, guys. However you want to, I'll do. One was faster, the other was slower. So okay, there is more things that are given. Let's see. How far is the faster train travel when it meets the slower one? If the difference in their rates is 8 miles per hour. Then in that case, let me go ahead and do something. Difference in the rate is given. So let me not assume my distance is d, but then this is x means this is x minus 8. This is the slower train, this is the faster train. Can you do this one for me? You go ahead. If you're stuck only, I'm going to do. I filled half of the table. Let me know, guys. Oh wow, that's good. Anisha, that's right. You got okay.
Miss Priya, you're muted.
Sorry, Akshada. The Akshada question is a little different, right? Ma, how far? Oh no, faster train travel when it meets the slower one. For some reason that feels incorrect. I don't know what. Let's see. Not really, Akshada. What was the equation you framed?
I put 2x minus 8 equals 396 divided by 9. I'm not sure if it's right because I still don't really understand it.
Okay. Okay, what is the distance will be equal to speed times time, right? So this
Yeah.
is 4.5, 4.5 I'm getting. So this is distance, how will you find it? Speed times time, right? So 4.5x, this is for, I know what you did, where you did the mistake. 4.5 times x minus 8, right, Akshada? So the total of this one is the equation. That is what, wherever you can frame equation, how when you look at it, this is where you can frame equation. So 4.5x plus 4.5 times x minus 8 will be equal to 396. Did you frame this equation?
No, I think I did mine's wrong.
Solve for x. Did you get it now?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so that one you do. The second question is just similar to the previous one that we solved, again on distance rate time. I will try to solve 2 3 guys for sure types. Do this one. We'll see how much we can go. Mm, if you can do it fast, we'll do it fast as well. Um, Rate of work, speed, distance, time, those are the most important ones. Let's see, both we'll cover today. But I want to do more, not just this one. Let's see.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
would it be okay if I left at 6:50?
Yeah, ma, sure. Did you guys get it? Rishit, you got your answers? Actually, something feels wrong, Amma. Yeah, Anisha, yes. Why that not confidence? Okay, that is correct, Abai. Second one. The first one you're not able to do? Abai and Rishit, were you able to do the first and the second one?
I
Abai, were you
couldn't
able
get
to
the
do
first one.
uh?
I couldn't get the first one completely. Oh,
Okay, but did you understand the equation?
yeah.
Yeah, 9x and then 4.85 are 48, 4 are 36, right? Will be equal to 396. 396 plus 36 is 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 432. 9x equal to 432. X will be equal to 9. Where are you missing? You're saying C. X will be equal to 6 nines are okay. 5 nines are 45. 4 nines are what is X I have taken? Let's see what is X. Speed is X, right? So that would be 9 fours are 36, 7 72, 8 nines are 72. X is 48 miles per hour. Okay, 48 and 40. If you take like that, then how far has the faster train traveled, right? Which is the faster train? 4.5x you need to calculate. 4.5 times 48. Akshada, you forgot to do that. That's the problem I feel. 48, 45, 5 is a 44, 5 is a 20, 24, and then 216 miles. So this would be 216 miles. So the faster train would have traveled 216 miles when it meets the slower train. Here the rate of current is 2 miles per hour. If you guys didn't get it, then you have to let me know. Did you guys get it? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, if you didn't get any, Abhay, where did you miss out on the first one?
I think it was with simple arithmetics.
Okay, can I move on? Akshada, just that you did not substitute. Other than that, I think you got it. So be correct. Shrikar correct. Can I move on? Guys, can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Rishit, did you get the answers for these two?
Yeah, but I can't type it. Something's wrong with my Wi-Fi.
Let me go ahead and do
Okay.
work rate time. Okay, work rate time is quite important too. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Okay, this is a startup problem. Startup problem for work rate time. The problem is here. See, guys, what we need to understand is, let's say, let's not do this. Okay, let's say I can do a work in 4 hours. I can do a particular work in 4 hours. In this case, guys, if I say this right, what fraction of the work gets done in 1 hour? What fraction of the work gets done in 1 hour? What fraction of the work gets done in 1 hour? If I can complete a work in 4 hours, what fraction of the work gets done in 1 hour?
1/4.
1/4, right? That is the portion of the work that gets done in 1 hour, right? This is the rate, right? Now, if you do it for 4 hours, this is the time, right? That will always be equal to 1. 1 indicates work completed. Does that make sense? So the formula, the same thing, it's like distance rate time only, but here it is work equal to rate times time. Make sense? So anytime you have to calculate, anytime if you want to calculate what is the fraction of the work done in 1 hour, it's 1 divided by the total time. So let's see here. Kyle can paint a room in 4 hours. Cole can paint the same room in 3 hours. What is Kyle's rate? It is 1 by 4. Cole's rate 1 by 3. Now write an equation. How to write an equation? For together, if they work together. See, if they work together, then the rate becomes 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. That is their rate. And how much of time they both will take together, we don't know. That will be equal to 1. Does that make sense? This separate is 1 by 4, this separate is 1 by 3. Both are working together means rate gets added. However, the time we don't know. Separately we know the time. But when they both work together, we don't know the time. Work gets completed indicates 1. So now what you can do, you can solve this one. 4 3s are 12. Now 7 by 12 times t equal to 1. T will be equal to 12 by 7. When they both work together, they will take 12 by 7 hours. Does that make sense? It's a little bit different from what we have done. Okay, so work rate problem is another type. Okay, now you're going to do this one for me. Okay, how about this? Easy one you do, and then we'll do a harder one. Okay, how about this? First you do an easy one, then we'll do a harder one. Okay, very similar problem, but first you do an easy one. How about this? We'll do this one quick.
Is
Yeah,
it
ma?
possible I can go? I have to go to my neighbor's house for like a function.
Sure. We'll finish in another couple of minutes. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Did you get it? Okay. After this, I would really like you to work on this one problem. Just that. Let's see, guys. This one is a little different from what we did. So two things. I just want the answers for these two. Once you do, you can leave. 1, 2. Just write out the equation, solve for the values, send it to me. We just did a couple of types. So next week we'll do more. But please finish. If you guys got, did you get it? Did you get it, guys, or you want me to do? See, okay, this is in minutes, so you need to be careful. 200 feet fence in 40 minutes together. Ashley can do it. in 70 minutes alone. So this is 1 by 70. Lindsay's rate 1 by x, we don't know. Putting together 1 by 70 plus 1 by x. So the equation is 1 by 70 plus 1 by x. They do it together. That is their rate. And time they take is 70 minutes is given will be equal to 1. No, not really. 1 by 70, 1 by 40. Ashley's rate is 1 by 40. So this is the equation. When you solve, you should be able to get the answer. Did you guys get that? Akshada, Subi, are you following that?
I thought it was 1 over 70 because when they work together, it's 40 minutes, right?
Oh, when they were, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I did not see. So this should be 70. What we did was correct. Single person is 70. Okay, sorry, ma. Got the answer? Wait. Yeah. 40 minutes is together, right? This is 1 by 70. Did you get it? Did you get it, ma? Subi, did you get the answer?
Yeah,
What was the answer?
I was doing the equation one where I had to do Ashley plus Lindsay and then make it together.
Okay, do it. I'll just check the answer for Rishit and let him go. Fifth one. Oh my god, fifth one is. What did you get, Rishit? Wait. Yes, Rishit. Together is. That's incorrect, Rishit. Together is 15 by 2. You see, that's the rate you are giving me. But the time is 15 by 2. Right, Rishit?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Okay. You can leave, Rishit.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Yep. Krishiv, did you understand how to do this?
Yeah.
Krishiv.
Yeah.
Okay. So did you get the answer,
Yeah, I
Ashley?
sent it to you.
Ashley Lindsay, what was the answer, ma? Let me check. Oh, that's right. That's right, Krishiv. You can leave if you are getting the concept.
Yeah, I got it. Bye.
Yeah. Akshada, Subi, Shrikar, did you guys get it?
Yeah, I'm typing mine in.
If you guys get it, you can leave. Geometry, guys, you're going to wait for me for a minute before I start the class. Did you get it? Akshada, did you get ma?
Yeah, I kind of got it.
Okay, then you can leave. Subi, if you get it, you leave.
Thank you.
But I'll post detailed homework. Please do all the problems. Subi, if you're in doubts, definitely stay and ask.
Is my answer right?
I'll check, ma. Sorry, I didn't see. I thought I checked every. Oh, yeah, you've given me the answer now. Give me a minute. Shrikar. Okay, good. Subi. Subi, you have not simplified. I can't do anything about this. You see what I mean, huh?
Do I have to put it in a decimal?
Yeah, ma. Because you cannot. I don't know. You have to simplify and show me, right? So x plus 70 will be equal to 7 by 4, right? By 70x. Okay. So that would be equal to 7x by 4, and then x minus 7 by 4x will be equal to minus 70. 3x by 4 will be equal to 70, right? 280 by 3, x will be equal to 280 by 3. Did you get it?
Okay, I think I did the opposite.
X is 280 by 3. X is what? X is what? She takes that many hours. Her rate is 3 by 280. Got it? See, that's the important thing. Reciprocals, you need to be careful with reciprocals.
Okay.
Make sense? Okay, I'll continue with this next week. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay, Yama. Have a
Thank
good
you.
week ahead. Geometry kids, just give me some time. Okay, give me 2 3
Bye, Miss
minutes.
Priya. Thank you.
Bye, ma. Geometry kids, give me 2 minutes. I'll be Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry guys, I did lose internet and then go back and come in back. How are you all? How are you all? Any questions did you have on the homework in 3D solids?
No, but Miss Priya, I wasn't able to finish the homework.
It was too much. Yeah, because of the spiral reviews you're saying?
Yeah.
I finished, but I forgot to
Yes.
submit it.
Miss Priya,
Okay, go ahead.
I had one question on part 3, number 36. I kind of got confused. Can you explain?
Absolutely will do. My internet is flaky, guys. Let's see. I'm going to paste that in here, ma. What was the question number you said, ma?
36 from part 3.
Part 3. I'm going to part 3. Part 3,
Yeah.
46. 46, huh?
No, 36.
Oh, 36. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's a good question. Okay, that's a nice question.
I watched the video, but like I kind of
No
didn't.
problem. I can work with you. One second. Okay, guys, in this one, right? For this composite solid, we're going to find out what? Are we still on surface area? Okay, so we are going to find the surface area. How many of you got to do this? Okay, what was your question, Ashita?
I found out how to found the surface area of half a cylinder and everything, but I just kind of got confused. So I just wanted to like do the problem with you.
Yeah, hi Shreya. First of all, I have to say hi to you. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good. Okay, we'll get started with wherever we are. Okay, Shreya. So you'll have to bear with us. Okay, we'll go through the homework first. Okay. Here, this is a composite solid. We have to find the total surface area. That's the ask here, right? So, okay, Ashita, where did you start with?
So I kind of erased my work, but from what I remember, I did pi r h to find the surface area of half the cylinder.
Okay, so for finding this is the curvy surface of the cylinder. This is the this is half of the curvy surface of the cylinder. That's true. So usually the curvy surface of the cylinder can be rolled out into a rectangle. That's what we discussed, right? So this would be 2 pi r and this would be h. So basically this area would be the curvy surface area. The total curvy surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h, right? But here it's going to be half. So 2 pi r h divided by 2 is going to be the curvy surface area alone. Okay. Other than that, you're going to add what? You're going to add all the faces of the rectangular prism or the square prism. I think it's not the square prism, it's a rectangular prism. So basically the front and the back. Let me first do that. Front plus back, that's going to be 6 times 4, 6 times 4, correct? And then next, bottom is 6 times 15. Bottom is 6 times 15. And then what? Right side is 4 times 15. Right side is 4 times 15. Left side is 4 times 15. Left and right. This is 4 times 15. This is again 4 times 15. Any questions, guys, still here? Do you have any questions still here? Now, what was the radius? Radius of the cylinder was 3, right? So, pi 3, height is 4. That's it. Do you want to do this, Ashrita? Meaning, did you get how to do this, Ashrita?
Oh, yeah, I did.
Where was the question for you?
I think just adding it, I think my answer was 348. I think I did like the addition wrong.
Can you check? That you need to do it at, really, you need to verify that at home.
Okay, yeah, I think because I think I got the parts like mixed up or something, but now I get it.
Okay, so now can you calculate and tell me the final value?
Okay,
This one, you can use a calculator for this one.
okay. After running it, I got 427.6.
427.6. I need to check.
Yeah.
427.6, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, that seems right. Okay, any other question, anybody? Any other questions, anybody? We are a little slow, guys. Okay, because the other class, oh, this is a 1.5 hour class. I got it. That's why we are a little slow. Can I move on? Any other questions in homework? Okay. Shreya, can you give me a little bit about you? You're doing geometry at school?
Yeah.
So then you'll be good. What are you doing in school?
We're learning about like tangents and circles right now.
Oh, wow. You went to circles. Okay. Okay. Pratika, what are you doing in school? And Avyukt, what are you doing in school?
I'm doing algebra at school.
Sorry. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Avyukt, I know. Okay. Vinisha, what are you doing in school?
We're doing circles right now, but like not like complicated circle problems kind
Oh,
of.
easy ones. Okay, I got it. Okay. So now let's go ahead with cones and spheres. Okay, cones and spheres make it a little bit hard. Cones, let's first do the cones, okay? Before I move on, right, I really want you to understand the difference between slant height and height of a cone. Okay, I really want you to understand the slant height and height of a cone. So let's go ahead with this. Circles is one big topic. Circles, and I have not covered. After 3D solids, I'll be moving on to circles and probability. Okay, let's see. Circles and probability is there. Huh? Okay, we'll see. So when you look at this, right, in this case, here you see this is the actual height of the cone. Okay, this is the slant height of the cone. Any questions here? That's called the slant height. It's indicated by L always. Okay, this height of the cone is indicated by H always. Any questions there? Any questions there? Okay, now what is the relationship between H and L? Who can tell me what is the relationship between H and L? What is the relationship between H and L? The actual height, the slant height. What is the relationship between the two? Anybody?
The height and the slant height, they make a right triangle.
Yep. So slant height will be equal to h square by r square. Anytime you're not provided with one, you need to use the Pythagorean theorem to find out the other. That's quite important because they always don't want to give you one, they will give you the other, and you will have to calculate using Pythagorean theorem. Now, when you think about this cone given on the board, right, this is called a right cone. Right cone, in the sense right cylinder. Remember, we studied about right cylinder and oblique cylinder. So this is a right cone where the height is perpendicular to the base, and you see, whereas what is an oblique cone? Oblique cone, I'll show you. That's a little tricky. Let's see. This is an oblique cone. Do you see the oblique cone? This is the oblique cone. Here, later. Okay. Oblique cone, when you look at it right, here you see this is the height or the altitude. You see, here is the base. When you think about it, the oblique cone is a teeny tiny bit tricky here. You see, it's not symmetric. It's not symmetric, but you need to understand the difference between the oblique cone and the right cone. Okay, now let's start solving a question, then we'll know. How about this? One second, guys, I don't want to give you an easy one. Let's see. Okay, how about this? I have a cone. I want you to find the okay, this is an application problem with cones. You will have to use, whenever you don't have the sides of a cone, you can use Pythagorean theorem, or you can always use trigonometry. You can always use trigonometry to find the sides of a triangle if it is a right triangle, or you can use law of sines or law of cosines if it is any triangle to find out the sides, or you can always rely on 30-60-90 or 45-45-90 triangles if needed. Now I'm going to show you a cone whose radius is 6 root 3. I'm going to show you a cone. Let's do this problem. You're going to find the surface area. You're going to find the surface area, but okay, let's see. I have not given you the formula though. Let's see. So guys, here the radius is 6 root 3. The radius of this cone is 6 root 3. Now I did not give you the formula, meaning usually I don't ask you to memorize the formula, right guys? But for the cone alone, I'm going to ask you to. For the cone alone, the base area, you know, base area is pi r square. It's just a circle. But whereas the lateral surface area, what is the lateral surface area? Lateral surface area is the curvy area of the cone on the sides, right? That lateral surface area will be equal to pi r L, where r is the radius and L is the slant height. This one I did not give you. So this one is very useful to find the lateral surface area of the cone. This is the first time I am asking you to memorize, because I can show you derivation. That's not quite useful. So basically, when a circle, you cut a sector and then make it into a cone, you will be able to derive this formula. The lateral surface area of the cone is pi r L. L is your slant height and not the height of the cone. Okay, now you're given a cone. This is the first problem we are doing. This is a cone whose radius is 6 root 3. Okay, you know how to find the base area, right? I want you to find the total surface area. Total surface area is what? Is the base area plus the lateral surface area, the curvy part of the cone. So find out this, find out this. Another aspect that's given is this is 60 degrees. Now this is the only measurement that's given. Now you're going to find out the base area and the lateral surface area, add them together to find out the total surface area. However, there is a missing parameter that you're going to find it out by yourself. Send the final values as decimal. Shreya, are you able to get it, ma? Or how? Shreya, where are we? You have to let me know a little bit more because I need to understand you a little bit more.
I think I get it, but can I use a calculator?
Yes, yes, you can use a calculator for all these. You cannot do it without using a calculator. But let me know, ma, have you come across the 30, 60, 90 and 45, 45, 90 triangles?
Yeah.
Okay, then you should be able to calculate it quick. Go ahead, let's see. Ananya, are you able to do?
Yeah.
Shreya, I'm glad.
Can you use trigonometric ratios for trying to find the sine height or no?
Okay, fine. As I said, right, you can think in different ways.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
do we substitute pi as 3.14 or not?
Yes, you can substitute pi as 3.14. Diya, are you following, ma?
Yeah, I'm not done with the question yet. I'm still solving it.
No. Take your time. I didn't mean to pressurize you at all, please.
Okay, no, I was.
Avyukt, something is wrong somewhere, Avyukt. What did you do? Oh, maybe I am wrong. No. Avyukt, did you find the total surface area?
Yeah, I did the base area and the lateral surface area.
Yeah, that's right, Dhruv. Dhruv, why are you not confident?
No, I wasn't like completely sure, so.
Yeah, that is right. Avyukt, something you missed, Avyukt. I don't know what you missed. Still, I should be able to find. What did you use to find the height of the cone, Avyukt?
Oh no, I realized my mistake. I can do it. Yeah.
Tell me what was the mistake you did, Avyukt, because I want to know so that I tell it out, right? People don't repeat.
Yeah, I used the wrong number. I used 6 instead of 6 square root 3.
Oh, okay. So radius and height you interchanged. Okay. Diya, are you able to do, ma?
Yeah, I sent you the answer I got, but I don't know if it's correct or not.
Hold on. I'm checking. Shreya, are you able to proceed, ma?
Yeah, I think I got the answer.
Oh, good, ma. Pratika, correct, ma. Diya, not really. Diya, how did you get it, Diya? Johan, correct.
Because I found, so first I did, I found like the arc thing, and then I got 2 pi square root of 3, and then I just added like the lateral and base area.
2 pi square root of 3, 2 pi 2 times pi times 6 root 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was the answer for that?
And then I got
No, wait.
I think I messed up in the calculations.
Diya, first of all, did you find the sides of the triangle? Did you find the sides of the triangle?
Oh, I think that's where I messed up. Can I like try again on this one?
Yeah, please. I'm okay. Try it again and let me know the answer for that one.
Wait, Miss Priya, it's not letting me type.
Shreya, va?
Ananya.
Shreya, Ananya, are you logged in from an iPad?
Yeah.
Please, I really want you to log in from a laptop from next week, please.
Okay.
Zoom has an issue with iPad. So it's beyond our control. Yes, ma. Avyukt, you got it. Shreya, yes, ma. Shreya, go ahead.
Am I supposed to like type it somewhere?
Yes, the way the class, okay. To give you more context, right? The way the class works is there's a chat window. Do you see the chat window?
Yeah.
Do you see? Are you able to chat with me? The group chat is disabled, okay? If you start telling in group chat, I'll never know who's doing what. So you will only be able to chat with me. So I clearly understand who's doing what. You get it? So are you able to type it in the chat window? Okay, you got, okay. Vinisha, I'll help you, ma. I got a long square
Yeah.
root. Okay. Yes, I can definitely do, ma, Vinisha. Just tell me to do, I'll do.
Miss,
Okay.
did you
Yes.
my answer?
Yes, I can, Shreya. Ananya, I got your answer. I'm checking. Shreya, were you able to type? Yes, ma, Shreya. Good job, Shreya. Ananya, that seems right. Okay. Who else? Okay, now. Pratika, did you get it, ma?
Yes.
Okay. So, quick, guys. I'm going to do it for Vinisha. Okay. So, others all got it, I think. Okay, now let's go ahead and try this one. 6 root 3. This is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. If you think about it, this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. 30, 60, 90 triangle is in the ratio what? 1 is to root 3 is to 2, right? So the side opposite to 66 root 3. As a result, the 1 is 6, 6 root 3 and 2 is 12. So this is 12. This is 6. We got these. Now the base area is what? Pi r square. R is 6 root 3. The whole square. So that will be 36 pi times 3. 36 is 6 square. Root 3 square is 3 pi. 36 times 3 times pi. So that becomes 108 pi. Now the lateral surface area is pi RL. So that is pi times 6 root 3 times 12. So that gets you to 72 root 3 pi. When you add them together, you get approximately 730 or 31. Approximately you get 731.1. You get 731.1. What is that? This is unit square. Since it is surface area, you'll answer it is in unit square. Any questions? Any questions? Vinisha, did you get that, ma?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, can I move on? Okay, I have a huge question. Okay, in a sphere, right? You all know what is the radius diameter chord is. What is a tangent to a sphere? What is a tangent to a sphere? What is a tangent to a sphere? Yes, ma, Avyut.
The line perpendicular to the radius.
That's nice. So, okay, there is a sphere. If I draw a tangent to a sphere, that is a line. That is a line that touches the sphere at exactly one point. Tangent is a line that touches the sphere at exactly one point. Okay, usually that's perpendicular to the radius. Okay, now that's a tangent to the sphere. Now I also, in the context of sphere, I want to define great circles. This is a topic which I have not touched. Okay. Whatever we are doing, right, whatever geometry we are doing, is this one I have not even touched till date. Okay, we are following the geometry that was what to say, that was put forth, meaning the postulates and all were put forth earlier. The best known postulates are all put forth by a guy, mathematician called Euclid. So we are following his geometry. Okay, there is another sphere of geometry. There is another sphere, means there's another area of geometry which is called the spherical geometry. I have not showed you the difference between the two. Okay, so they both are very different when you think about it. Okay, here, okay, spherical geometry means everything is defined in terms of sphere. Here in Euclid geometry, things are a little different. How are they different? I can go over that in another class. I'm not going to go over the difference between Euclid's and spherical geometry. But at this point, what I want you to know is what we follow. The geometry that we follow is Euclid geometry. His postulates, see, parallel postulates. So many postulates we studied earlier, right? So the postulates were, several of the important postulates were put forth by Euclid initially. But there is another area of geometry, which is the spherical geometry. All talks about spheres. Okay, spheres. In spheres, what happens is there's a concept called great circle. Great circle. Great circle is basically basically the great circle is the intersection of the center of the sphere and the sphere. So here, let's see. Let me show you this. Great circle, see, meaning it goes around the plane. Let me define the great circle here. Great circle is, see, this is a great circle. Whatever goes around the sphere, but it also encompasses the center of the sphere. Similarly, the great circle is this, meaning it is just a plane, which is the intersection of this, which is the intersection of the center of the sphere. Okay, meaning yeah, it is basically a plane. It is a plane means flat surface. Okay, the flat surface should contain the center of the sphere. This is good. This is a good picture. Let me show you this. Okay. Okay, now let me show you this picture so you'll clearly understand rather than me drawing it. How about this? Harshita, did you get the answer? I don't know in terms of pi, ma. I asked you to write it as decimal, so I did not check your answer, ma.
I sent
So,
it again.
what, ma?
I sent the answer again.
Harshita, you sent the answer again. I got only one answer, ma. But as long as you got the real answer that I put in, I'm fine. Can I move on? Harshita, can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's go ahead and do this one. So the great circle you see, that is just a plane containing the center of the sphere. This plane, this contains the this contains the sphere. This plane is in the sphere and contains the center of the circle. Did you see? So those are called great circles. That is for a sphere. Now coming to a sphere, right? What is the surface area of a sphere? Who can tell me? This one we learned earlier. Earlier means in 7th grade. What is the surface area of a sphere? What is the surface area of a sphere?
4 pi r squared.
Huh?
Is it 4 pi r squared?
Yeah, I always think about it like it contains 4 circles. So it is 4 pi r square. Okay, now I have more questions to you. Now let me talk about a hemisphere. Hemisphere is half the sphere, right? Let me talk about a hemisphere. What do you guys think should be the surface area of a hemisphere?
2 pi r squared.
Aha! Is it so? Not really, not quite. Why? Why it's not 2? Okay, why is it 2 pi r square, Maharashtrata? Why did you say it's 2 pi r square?
I just thought because it was half of a
Yeah,
whole
it's
sphere.
half of the sphere. Very good. It's half of the sphere. Okay, so it should be 2 pi r square, but it is not. Why? Because half of the sphere is this area. Okay, but you didn't account for the base area where we cut it out, right? We cut the sphere and the base area needs to be added, right? So the curvy area plus the base area has to be added. This curvy area is itself 2 pi r square. So what should be the surface area of the hemisphere, Dhruv? Dhruv or Shreya? Shreya, go ahead and answer. Shreya, I didn't want you to put you under the bus today.
It's like
If you know, answer. Okay, curvy area plus base area, right? So how much is it?
2 pi r squared plus the area of that
Of the base, what is it? Pi r square, right? So what is it?
3 pi r squared.
3 pi r square will be the surface area of the hemisphere. Don't make a mistake there, guys. Okay, it's not 2 pi r square. That's why I took the time to tell you that. Okay, it's not 2 pi r square. It's 3 pi r square because the base needs to be accounted for. Now, let me go ahead and ask you some questions on this. Okay, how about this? Would you be able to find this one quickly for me? This is a question on sphere. Okay, this is a question on cone. Okay, I'm going to erase this. Okay, let's do this, guys.
Miss Priya, is it 15 of the entire line or just like that amount?
15 is what, ma? 15 is the diameter, clearly. Did you get that? Shreya, did you get that, ma?
I don't know how to solve it.
Yeah.
Who don't know how to solve it?
How do you solve it with 32 as the angle?
Aha! What type of a triangle is it?
Right triangle.
So what you can use in a right triangle to, if theta is given, the other angle is 90 degree, the other angle as well, all the angles are given. What is the best way to find the sides of a right triangle? Okay, question to you before I go there. Have you learned trigonometry?
We only learned like sine, cosine, and tangent.
Oh yeah, that is enough. That's all. That's what you need to use.
Oh.
You got it? I gave you the answer, lady. I didn't mean to give you the answer, but yeah. So that's a little tricky. You see, either depend on 30, 60, 90 triangle or 45, 45, 90 triangle. Or go for trig. Or go for law of sines and law of cosines if you don't have a right triangle. Let me know, guys, if you're not able to do this one. Should be quickie after Diya. I'm checking your answer now. Diya, we are off by several. I don't know why, Diya. Let's see. Diya, was that answer for this one, ma?
Yeah.
Shreya, that's correct. That's okay, ma. Somewhere, Johan, that's correct. Diya, what did you do? You want to tell me or you want to redo and see and tell me? I'm okay with either, ma.
I mean, I think I'm just gonna redo it because I don't know like
Yeah,
the
okay.
exact part where I got it wrong.
Yeah. Dhruv, your answer is too off, Dhruv. Can you check? Oh, okay. Lateral surface area is as well too off. Okay, Dhruv, can you help me understand what did you use for L? What was L value? See, I know what you did, Dhruv. This one should have been 7.5. Did you use that?
Oh, no.
See,
That was
yeah,
wrong.
yeah, I understood your problem.
Wait, is the diameter 15?
Yeah, ma, because it's shown as a red line, right?
I thought you would I thought they did it on that side specifically because it was only half.
But they have shown a red line. Do you see?
Yeah.
You see, I understood what you're saying, but they've shown a red line, right? That is 15. Harshita, something is I don't know. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead. Uh, Shreya. Shreya, I want to work with you, ma. How did you calculate the sides, ma?
I did like
Amma,
sine.
in this class, absolutely okay to make mistakes. Go ahead.
I did like sine 32 equals 7.5 over the hypotenuse.
Correct. I know what mistake you did. Did you do it in the calculator?
Yes.
Did you put it in radians mode?
No.
No. Did you set it up in degree mode or not? You
Wait.
didn't.
No, I
By
did.
default, yeah, by default it
Yeah.
goes to radians. That's the
Okay.
problem.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm glad. Okay, always trigonometry problems, please guys. I always tell the class earlier as well. I've told you, you have to set it as soon as you trig. As soon as you see trig, you have to set it in degree mode, and that's a very common mistake people do. 7.5 by sine 32 after setting it up in degree mode. Go ahead. Let me try to get into volume today, guys, because that class, I know I missed a class for you. That class is way ahead. Avyu, is that the answer for this one, ma?
Yeah, is it off?
But looks like you round a little bit off for sure. I don't know. It's a little bit off. I don't know. Did you round it anywhere?
Yeah, in few steps where I did trig.
Yeah, my request is don't round it till you reach the last step.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah.
So
Just
I shouldn't round it even if it's going to like the billion, I guess.
round it to 3 decimal places, right?
I did 3 decimal places.
Okay, Ananya, that seems not correct. Ananya, can I work with you?
Sure.
Dhruv, that's correct. Vinisha, incorrect, ma. Somewhere something is wrong. Okay, where are you confused, Ashrita? I'm here to clarify your doubt. What is your confusion?
So I know this might sound really stupid, but like, I try to do, because there was a right angle, so I did 90 minus 32, and I got, or 90 plus 32, I got 122, and I subtracted that from 180, and I got 58, and I thought that angle was 58, and what I did was I did pi r squared, and I, got pi 56.25, and I was gonna add it to the other part. And I think
Okay,
I
ma.
did it
Let's do your way. I don't mind doing your way. Okay. This you got it as 58, is it?
wrong.
Then what did you do to find the hypotenuse? What did you do to find
Oh,
the huh?
I didn't do that. What I did is I did pi and then I did times 7.5 squared and I got pi 56.25.
That's fine, ma. That's the base area, right? Base area is pi times 7.5 square is correct.
Oh.
But that's not what we want. That's the base area, okay?
Mhm.
Meaning that's not the lateral area. Lateral surface area we need to find. This is a part of total surface area, base area plus lateral surface area. What is the lateral surface area? For that you need to find the hypotenuse, right?
Oh, and then we do
Yeah,
like
use
trigonometry.
trig values to find out. See, hypotenuse will be 7.5 by sine 32. You have to set your calculator in degree mode. After that, find out the hypotenuse. And lateral surface area of a cone is pi r L. L is your hypotenuse.
Okay, I
Slant height.
understand.
Make
Okay.
sense?
Yeah, thank you.
Ash, okay, I clarified your doubt. Pratika, did you get it? Yes, Pratika, that is right. Thank you. Harshita, did you get it, ma? You might want to do it again, Harshita. What was L, ma?
I rounded it, so I got like 8.8, but I have to redo it to not round it.
Yeah, please, you redo it. Just the lateral surface area, send it to me. That itself is off. No, not rounding, it's very off. Shreya, did you get it, ma? Not really, Shreya. Is the second answer your answer?
Are you talking to me?
No, okay. Shreya.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, Shreya.
Shreya, you got it? Yes, you got it. I don't have a problem at all, Shreya. Dia, you got it?
I'm still working on it. I'm almost done
Yeah,
though.
sorry guys about last week. I had to cancel the class, right? So, but this week and next week we'll have the 1.5 hour class, and please let's make it up because I am really lagging with circles. I really want to finish 3D geometry and then move on to circles, and after that probability, right? So yeah, let's see what I can do. There are many who are all doing CBE in April. Just send a message to me or just raise your hand using the raise hand button. See, probability will be lagging, so start working on probability. If you are interested, ping me. I will share with you a document which you can go through as well. Probability I'll be lagging because April will come and I'll just start probability. There'll be a lot of questions in probability in CBE. Yes, Harshita. Then I will share. Just ping me later in WhatsApp. I will share a document with you. You can start reading. It's literally like notes, problems. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so I really want you to get started by yourself on that. It's not hard. At the same time, I will help you. Yes, Avyukt and Harshita, please ping me after the class, okay? Because I will do my best, okay, to finish probability 2 as much as I can. Okay. Can I get the charger? Yes, please. Harshita. Yes, that's correct, Ashrita. Good job.
Thank you.
Johan, you got. Okay, let me write down, guys. Or I'll share it right away so I don't forget and it's not with me more. Okay, guys, please finish this. There are many different answers. I really want you to get this same answer. Please, guys. You have it? I want probability unit to be covered, right? I'm going to share with the three of you. Probability unit is the 12th unit. No, 13th unit is probability, I think. Okay, so I'm going to share with you. Let me share with you. Okay.
Miss Priya, can you send it to me too? I forgot to raise my hand.
Yeah. Ashrita, yes. Can I send it to you? Or I'll put it in the geometry group. No, I don't want to put it in the geometry group.
Yeah, you can send it to my mom.
Okay. Doesn't make sense. Okay, I'm sending it to Avyuk. Madula. You know what? I don't know what I stole your mom's name, honestly, Ashrita.
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
You send it to me too.
Oh, who, ma? Sorry, I did not see. Who?
Ananya.
Ananya, you want to get. Are you doing CBE, lady?
No, but I just want to look at it.
Okay. Sure. Absolutely. I would be very happy if you want to look at it. I just asked you, okay?
Miss Priya, are you sending it to me, Pratika?
Oh, you are doing it this week, this April, ma?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you
Please
send it
start.
to me too?
Then I'll put it in the group, I feel, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like I'll put it in the group because most of you are doing it, right? So let me put it in the group so that it's not on my plate, okay? Probability. If you want access, you need to request, okay? Probability unit. Please get started if you are doing CBE. I will help with all what you need in this. Parents, please pass it to. Okay, guys, I have given it in the group. Okay, if you have a mobile, if you are okay, just join the group, you'll get it, or ask your parents to send it to you. Make sense? For probability, I've already shared, okay? Okay, guys. Okay, who didn't get it? Who needs help with this? Yes, Ananya, I sent it in the group, ma. Okay, Avyukt, I'm getting the numbers in the same area. Okay, it should be 510. That's all, Avyukt. Vinisha, can you tell me how you're doing it, Vinisha? Shreya, I did not get convinced with your answer. Yes, Dhuru, you can. Your mom messaged me in detail. You can log off, please. Yeah. Go
So,
ahead.
is my answer acceptable then?
I'm okay with your answer, Avyukt. Least bothered. You see, it's only
Okay.
0.5 or 0.2. Okay. So
Yeah,
now,
no.
yeah. Now, Shreya, and I'm really bothered about whom? Dia, did you get it?
Can you go over this question really quickly?
Yeah, absolutely. Because your answer did not make sense to me.
Yeah.
Okay. Quickly, let me go through. Shreya, did you get it, ma? Okay. Please tell me what is 7.5 by sine 32 after putting it in degree mode. What is hypotenuse?
Is it 14.2 or 13.6?
Johan, is that right? Is the slant height 14.2?
Yeah.
Okay, now you got the slant height, right? Nothing is there. So pi 7.5 times 14.2. That's it, right? Now, can you tell me what is this lateral surface area, Shreya? Pi times 7.5 times 14.2.
334.6.
333 point?
334.6.
34.6, huh? Okay. Did you round too much?
I rounded to the nearest tenth.
Okay, that's fine. 334.6. Now the base area is this. So the total surface area is base area plus lateral surface area. Base area is 7.5 square times pi, and then the lateral surface area is 333 or 334. When you add them together, you should be getting something around 510 units square. Shreya, Dia, did you get it?
Yeah, I understand that.
But your answers was totally off, right? Did you understand why?
Yeah, I get why.
Okay, Ananya, are you back? Yes, ma?
Miss Priya, for
Yes.
the I think I don't forgot if it was so basically like for the slant height or something, the pi r l, I got 33.2325.
That is only correct actually. 333 point something should be only correct. It cannot
Yes,
be 330.
and for 7.5, I just squared it completely. Like I got 50. I think I got like 52 or 56. I forgot. I think I
That is fine. So final answer is what?
I got 498.3.
No.
I don't know.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. How many of you are using pi equal to 3.14? That might be the problem, guys. You cannot use pi equal to 3.14. You have to type it as pi in the calculator. Those are small mistakes you will encounter. Pi, you have to type it as pi or pi in the calculator. What calculator are you using, Shreya? Dia, what calculator do you use?
I use the MI84 calculator app on it.
TI-84 or MI-84?
I forgot what it's called, but it's
Okay.
it's calc
TI-84calc.com?
yeah, it's that one.
Okay, that's fine. Shreya, what calculator are you using?
I'm using the TI-84.
Physical or online?
Online.
Online, that's fine with me. So that's the best one that you can use. But pi, please do not type 3.14. That only leads to trouble with this 334, 333. Avyukt, what did you type? Pi.
I typed it as 3.14. That's probably
That
why.
is the difference. That's why. You got it?
How do you type pi then?
Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to stop the screen share. I don't
It's
know.
like
Wait.
it's like a button. You click second, and then it should be in blue.
I'll go ahead to that screen, ma. I'll go ahead to that screen. Give me 1 minute, guys. I just want to make sure I share this. Hold on. I'm going to stop share. Now I'll copy what was in the board here. Then I will go ahead with TI-84. I'm going to show you guys because see, you cannot afford to make mistakes in that. I'm going to show you. TI-84 calc, right? Okay, let's see. Here we go. You want to type pi, huh?
Yeah.
And though here, see, pi is here, right? Meaning, let me show you the button.
Oh yeah, I can see.
Pi button is here, right? So
Yeah.
it's in blue, right? So what you do is, if it is in blue, you type second and pi. You got it?
Oh yeah, I got it now.
Yeah,
I'm
that's what you
just
should use. Never use
I'm just
3.14. I'm glad we discussed. Sorry, Avyuk, I talked on top of you. Go ahead.
no, I'm just bad at searching things, so yeah.
No, no problem. But you got it. Okay.
Yeah, I
Similarly,
got it now.
if anything is in green, right, you type alpha and then the green.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, that's how it works. So when you
Yeah.
type it in, use parenthesis wherever needed. If you don't, you will make mistakes. Guys, did you
Yeah,
all get
okay.
the answer to this? Can I move on? Shriya, Dia.
Yeah, I got it now.
Okay, you guys are new to me, so I really want to confirm multiple times. Okay, now let's see. Mm, okay, so can I move on from this problem then? Okay. We took a lot of time on that, but I'm glad we ironed out. One thing is, again and again, I'm telling, when you use trig, not putting in degree is the worst thing that you can make mistake on. Okay, everybody does it. Even after explaining or even after talking it out to this extent, there will be a couple of kids that do that in this class. So please, please be careful in that. Number two, always don't use pi 3.14. Please use pi in the calculator. Okay, that can lead you to small differences and you'll make mistakes in your answer. Okay, now I'm going to move on. I lost track of the work that we were doing. Wait, I don't remember. Okay, now, okay, this one is a good one. Everybody made mistake in this problem when I gave it to the other class. Let me see, 45. This one, let me see. Okay, guys, see this one? Tell me where we are on this. Okay, I really want you guys to take it and do. Okay, a couple of them got it right, but all others, see, this is more of a ACT SAT problem. Okay, this is how you get it there. So try this one. This is based on what we really learned, but then the x on the hypotenuse is a little confusing, and the square roots are all confusing. Why don't you try? And if you don't understand, only I'm going to check. Hey, Shriya, I forgot to tell you, ma. Today is a 1.5 hour class, ma. Last week I had cancelled the class. Usually I don't cancel, but there was some emergency I had to attend to. So I had cancelled the class. So this week and next week we'll have 1.5 hour class. I can't get everybody at the same time, so I usually extend the class for makeups. Usually I don't have makeups, but there are times. Okay. Go ahead, guys. 45th. This one is a good one to do. Did you do it? I got 3 answers. I'm so happy. I don't know the answer though. Let's see. Okay, we didn't do anything on spheres, right? Oh my god. We need to do something on spheres.
Miss Priya.
Johan, correct Johan. Nice Johan. Yes, ma. Shreya, very nice job. Shreya, nice job. You got a hang of it, Shreya? Nice. Yes, ma. Tell me, Harshita. It was Pratika. What was that, ma?
Can you do this one?
Absolutely. That's why I said so. I did understand that it was a hard problem for some of you. Yeah, it just depends. Okay. Now, Ananya, did you get it? Harshita, you got it?
I don't really understand how to get the radio.
I hear you. I hear you. Some of them, the same thing happened in the other class as well. That's why I picked out this problem. Ashrita, correct, ma. Harshita, now I'm checking your answer. Harshita, that's right. Dia, very good job, ma. Vinisha, are you able to try or do you want me to try, ma, Vinisha?
Can you try?
Sure. So now, some of you got it. So I'll just go ahead with the ones that did not. Which of the following expression represents the lateral area of the cone? Lateral area is just the curvy area, right? Curvy area, I told you this is the only formula you'll memorize, right? Pi r L. Now, L is x, guys, here. So let me substitute as pi r x. Okay. Now, how to find out x? Now, you know you have to use Pythagorean theorem, right? Now, how do I, for Pythagorean theorem, I need to substitute this r. I need to find the value of r using Pythagorean theorem. So r square plus 6 square will be equal to x square. Does that make sense, Ananya? R square will be equal to x square minus 6 square. Take square root on both sides. R will be equal to square root of x square minus 36. How many of you did not get it? Plug this into this. Pi times x times square root of x square minus 36. Where is this? This is f. Any questions? Any questions, guys?
Oh, I made the triangle into like a 45, 45, 90. Can you not do that?
Yes, you can definitely do that. It's a good thought. So what did you do? Tell me. Meaning I'll help you with your way. Go ahead. Yes, ma. 45, 45, 90 if you take it, right? Okay.
Then I
Okay.
got like
Wait.
x as 6 root 2.
Wait. Who said it is 45, 45, 90? Did I say? I never said that it is 45, 45, 90. Do you think this and this are the same? This and this are not the same.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
That is the trouble. You got it, Vinisha?
Yeah.
Okay. So 40, unless see, if they had given you 45, 45, then see, then that cone would look like this, right? But please, by seeing, don't assume. Meaning, by seeing, I cannot say this is 40. Unless they give you, you cannot assume this is 40, 45, 90 or 60, 30, 90. You cannot assume. You got it?
Okay.
If you are using 30, 60, 90 or 45, 45, 90, there should be a way where they had given. Otherwise, they would have at least marked like this. Then it is 45, 45, 90. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
If they had not explicitly mentioned that, don't believe that. Okay. Now, let's go to this one. Now that I'm almost done with surface area, right? I would really like you to try a couple problems. And then I will go ahead with volume. Okay? Can I try this one with you all? Meaning this is one that I would like you to try. Okay? With this I'm entering volume, guys. Okay? I just want to finish volume by next week whatsoever. Okay? Go ahead with this. That's a little bit tricky. Okay, a little bit tricky, but not that tricky. Can we try that one? Yeah, we'll do that one problem. Hey, and I want you to send the answer to me for this one as well. This one, Shreya, you may not be able to answer. Shreya, we did discuss this last class, okay? What did I do, guys? I didn't mean to do anything, okay? So let's see this one. Number 1 and number 2 we are going to do. Rest of it you can break your head at home with the questions on surface area. Now there's a lot of review, okay? You're going to finish. We did 3-4 parts last week, right? So for this week you will end up doing 5-6 in the same 5-6 3D solids PDF. 5 and 6 you're going to do. But that doesn't seem right. Let me see. Let me know, guys, if you need help. Let me know if you need help. That's a good question to try based on your knowledge on surface area. After that, I'm going to move on. Of 3D solids for PDF, please refer to previous weeks. Okay, we'll enter volume today itself and we'll try to complete volume next week. Uh, 3D solids, okay. Please definitely work on the problems, guys, otherwise it will be very difficult. There's a lot of reviews as well. So we did cylinders last week, right? Spheres I didn't touch. So basically you'll do part 5 and there's a lot of review. Part 5, 6, 7 you'll do. Okay, so you'll do part 5, 6, 7, right? Okay, there's a little bit of a problem here. Okay, I have got 2 answers. Shreya, my problem is, Shreya, did you account for inch and foot, Shreya? One is in foot, one is in inch. Did you account for that?
I did not.
Johan, did you account for that? See, that's why I gave you this. Okay, one another thing. Okay, this is an area where everybody will make a mistake. Okay. Oh, wow. Harshita, is your answer correct? I'm checking. Harshita, looks like you accounted for that. Is it?
Recorded, but I didn't want to find it.
No, not really, Harshita. There's some mistake, Amma. It doesn't seem right. Okay, guys. Now the thing about this is, one is in. This is why I gave you this problem. Okay. First of all, see 72, 72. Let's consider a rectangle. Okay, inch. If you want the area in foot, right? What is the area in foot? How do you find the area in foot square? Who can tell me? This is very basic. Not even in geometry or not even any big calculation. This is like a elementary problem. So how do you find it in foot square? You tell me, guys.
You divide the inches by 12.
Divide the inches by 12. Again, see, if it is foot square, right? Both the inches should be divided by 12. Did you get it? 72 times 72 is in square, right? But that in square, to convert it to foot square, there are 2 inches. So divide the two times you need to divide by 12. You got it? In square to foot square conversion, 2 times you have to divide by 12. If it is inch cube to feet cube, right? What do? You divide 3 times by 12. You got it? Each inch should be converted to a foot. That one everybody forgets. So, guys, this is given in foot, 4.5 by 2 foot. 4.5 by 2 foot, right? This is given in foot, this is given in inches. So, divide by 12 here itself. So, that would be 6. Similarly, divide by 12, whatever you need, please do. You're going to do that by yourself. Only the answer to me. But in square to foot square conversion, Shriya, Diya, did you understand in square to foot square conversion?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. 27. Oh, wow. Good job, Avyut. You know what? I need to go with 3D solids part 2, right? Okay. Did you guys get it? Guys, I'm leaving it to you to get it. Okay. In the meantime, Avyut, if you want to do the second problem, you can do. Send me the answer to the second problem. Solid of revolution. The Shriya, if you don't get the second one, it's okay. But the first one, I would really want you to do.
I sent my answer to the first
Answer?
one.
Okay, Ma Shreya. Okay, Ma Shreya. I'll check. Not really, Shreya. See, the second one seems right, Shreya. Shreya. I think you got it, lady. Yeah, I think you got it, lady. Avyut, I think that's correct. Harshita. Yes, is it in feet square, Harshita? You did not tell me.
Yeah, it's in feet square.
Okay. Johan, it's a little off, Johan. 28,000 is incorrect.
Yeah, I'll give you that right now. I said my answer for the second one though.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct, Johan. I checked it. Sorry, I did not say it. Shriya, whatever you know, you do. Vinisha, send me some answers, ma. Yep. Yep. That's right, Harshita.
I sent you
Shriya,
my answer, but I don't know if I got it right or not.
it doesn't matter, Diya. I'll check. That is right. Sorry, I saw yours but did not call you out. Okay, how about you, ma? Vinisha, did you get it? Shriya, where are we, ma, on this? Vinisha, somewhere something went wrong, Vinisha. So basically, Vinisha, coming to the lateral area, right? Lateral area at the back is what, ma? 78 times 72, right? Front is what, ma? 72 times 78. Side is what, ma? 72 times 78. Looks like it is 78, that times 4, right, ma? So 72 times 78 times 4 is our lateral surface area. But you need to subtract this. The 72 should be divided by 12, and then 2 division by 12 is there. So this is in feet square. And then this is 4.5 by 2, right? 4.5 times 2 is 9. Okay, so that you're going to subtract it from here. Okay, you'll end up with an answer that is around 27,398 inch square or 190 feet square. Shriya, I didn't get an answer from you, but this one you should have done. Did you understand the first one?
Yeah, I sent the answer.
You sent, Amma. Then I missed. Wait, let me see. Ashrita, you got it right, Ashrita?
Yeah.
Pratika, where is the mistake, ma, Pratika?
I don't know. Maybe in multiplication? I don't know. I can't tell either.
Do you want me to do, or you want to check, or what do you want to do?
Can you do it, please?
Yes. So 72 times 78 times 4, right? I'm going to do it in a calculator. 72 times 78 times 4 divide by 144, right? 156. 72 times 78. What mistake I am doing, guys? Let me see. Oh, yes, I will do, ma. Harshita, I got your question. I'll do. 72 times 78. What are they asking? Find the lateral surface area. Yeah, 72 times 78. 72 times 78. 72 times 78. 72 times 78. Everything is correct. Okay, and then if you convert it to feet square, divide by 12 times 4. Okay, and then Johan, what did you get for the lateral surface area?
I'm still doing it. Yeah.
Or Harshita, see 72 times 78 times 4, and then you're going to subtract 4.5 by 2. Just that you're going to subtract. 4.5 by 2 is 9. Subtract the 9. Let me check, guys. 72 times 78 times 4 divide by 144. So that minus 9. That doesn't seem right at all. Why? If the playhouse has a dimension shown with a 4.5 by 2 foot opening at the door, find its lateral surface area. Ananya, what answer did you get?
I was kind of lost. I did the bottom, but the top portion, I kind of took me
You
some
don't
time.
need the bottom, right? They're only asking for the lateral surface area, right?
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah. So, Avyukt, what did you get? 72 times 78 times 4. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got the answer.
So, what was that? What was this?
Oh, I didn't do feet. I did in inches.
Yeah, in inches you did?
Yeah.
Okay, 72 times 78 times 4, right?
Yeah, I did 72 times 78. That. I got 22464.
2, 2.
Yeah,
Okay, and then what? And then what did you subtract?
I
Something.
subtract.
So what did you do then?
Then I don't know. I don't remember all the steps I did.
Okay. Shreya, you got it, right, Shreya? You can explain. Go ahead.
For number 6, right?
Yes.
The whole thing?
Yeah, 72 times 78 times 4 you did, right?
Yeah.
Then you divided by 12 divided by 12 to convert it to feet square, right?
Yeah.
But after that, what did you do?
And then I subtracted
How much?
9.
Okay, what was the answer? I'm getting... Huh?
I can't find that.
Then how did you get the answer, ma?
The page is not very clear.
I'm really off, guys, here. I don't know where we are. But... Somewhere I'm not convinced, Shreya. Shreya, how did you get? What is the answer for the first part?
For the first part, I had done it in inches, not feet. I forgot to convert it.
That is still okay. But what is the answer that you got?
Should I say in feet or should I convert it and then tell you?
No, you can tell me in inch itself. We should get the same answer, right? Doesn't matter if it is feet or inch. Go ahead.
I got 22,550.53.
20?
2550.53.
That is not correct, right, Shreya? 27,398 should have been the answer. 27,398 inch square, or the second one can be 190 feet square. Harshita, what did you get, ma? How did you get?
I got 22,464 in inches.
Then how did I? Okay, wait. Some of them I did say it's correct, right? Johan, what was your answer?
For the bottom.
Johan, it's not 28, right? What did you do, Johan?
Yeah, I was when I was redoing it, I realized I made a miscalculation, but so I had to go back. But for the cube part, uh,
See, the lateral surface area means how many? Only 4 sides, right?
Miss Priya, are we supposed to add the top to it or not?
No, let's see. Find its lateral area means only the sides, amma.
Oh.
Okay,
Also, I
only.
didn't do it that way. I found everything in inches and then I divided it by 144 for the.
That is fine still. That's what I'm also doing. Okay. So 78 times 72 times 4 divided by 144 is correct. In that, what did you subtract? 4.5 by 2, right? So you subtract the 9. 78 times 72 times 4 divided by 144 is what? 78 times 72. Let me put it and see. 78 times 72 times 4 divided by 144. I'm getting.
But when I got my answer, like the 190.3 thing, I added the top to it. So.
Ah, you added the top. Added the top means?
Like the square pyramid on top. The triangle.
All the 4 triangles you added?
Yeah.
Okay, then in that case, okay, the question is incorrect. Okay, for me, I'm getting the answer as 147, guys. Find the lateral area. Lateral means side area, guys. Okay, then this is amounting to 156 minus 9, 140, 140, 150. Okay, let me check. What did I get here? I'm getting this 156 and then minus 9. 156 and minus 9 I'm getting. 156 and subtract the 9. 156 and subtract the 9. So it will be 147 feet square. This is what I'm getting. Avyukt, what did you do? See, they have asked for lateral area. They did not ask for total surface area. If they asked for the surface area, then in that case, I understand, guys. You need to do this lateral area 156 plus bottom is 72 times 72. And the top is the triangle area. What is the triangle area? Okay. See, for the triangle area, that's a little tricky. You need to find out for the triangle area. This is your slant height. You need to find out. That is the height of the triangle, and the base is 72. So you have to find the area of the triangle times 4. That you need to add. You add up all of this and then subtract the 9. Make sense? Avyuk, how did you get 190, Avyuk? That seems incorrect to me. How did you get that? I did say it.
Yes.
Huh?
I never said it was 190. I said in inches.
Inches as well. That's incorrect. 27,398. You got it, right?
Oh yeah, I think it. I mean, isn't that
Okay,
what
let
you?
me see. Okay, let me see. Let me see in inches. Okay, maybe you're right. I don't know. Okay, so this one is 72 times 78. That's the same thing, right? Times 4. Then you subtract 4.5 times 2, that is in foot. But then you're going to convert it to inches. This is what you did, right?
Did you say we don't need to do, we shouldn't do the top as well?
Yeah, you shouldn't do the top because it's asking for lateral area, right?
Yeah, then I did it wrong.
Okay, then I need to discuss this next week, then only start volume, guys. Okay, for now.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
if you can't do the top, does that mean you could do the bottom?
You can't do, ma. If it is asking for lateral, means only the sides, guys.
Okay.
Okay, I feel the answer key there is wrong, but I'm going to come back to this problem next week when we start the class. See, find its lateral area they have given. Lateral means only the sides. There are 4 squares, rectangles. So you find the area of the 4 rectangles, subtract the door. That's all. Okay, the hard part here is converting from feet to in square to feet square. Okay, they did not ask for the total surface area. If they had asked for the total surface area, you will do 4 sides, bottom, top 4 triangles minus the box. They asked for lateral, 4 rectangle minus the door. Make sense? Okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll stop here for today. Okay. But then you're going to finish 5, 6, 7 parts in the homework. Shriya's mom will contact me further. Okay. For the others, you'll go ahead and do 5, 6, 7 parts in 3D solids. 3D solids part 2, I'll start next week and try to complete it next week. That's my plan. Any questions?
No.
Any questions? Okay, guys. I'll stop here, guys. And have a nice week ahead. See you all next week, same time for 1.5 hour class.
Bye, Miss
Priya.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
can my mom talk to you?
Not now. I'm going to take my mom to the hospital for a review now.
Oh, okay.
No problem. I can talk to her. When? Will she be awake for another hour? I can call her.
Yeah.
Shall I call her on the phone in another 30 minutes?
Yeah, that's
Please
fine.
ask.
You can take
No,
your
no,
time.
ask her. Ask her whether
She's
it's
right
convenient.
here.
Okay. Is it okay to
Yes.
call you in 30 minutes?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. You can call me.
Okay. Okay. I
Yeah,
will call you in
sure.
30 minutes when I'm in the car.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. But please make sure to give me a call.
I will.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Miss Priya.
Without fail,
Bye,
I'll call
Miss
you.
Priya.
Bye, ma.
Take care.
Bye, ma.